Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add payment method on Facebook ad account. So let's get right into the video. Once you are into your Facebook account, head over to the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down, you will see an option help and support, settings and privacy, and also from Meta. We need settings and privacy, tap on it and head over to settings, and also scroll down. You can see an option adds payments under payment method. So go to adds payments, and here you can see an option payment methods and add payment method. Go for it. Here you can just add your location and currency and then tap on next, and then Facebook will allow you to add a payment method on your Facebook account. And that's it. It's done. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.